Are looking at all of these issues.
Let me just ask whether it's any more fair to blame Mitt Romney for what Eric Fernstrom said about Etch-a-Sketch, because he was an advisor, a staff member. And here you've got a case where, yes, she's a prominent Democratic woman, but she doesn't work for the campaign. She does not work for the White House. They immediately disavowed it. David Axelrod and Jim Messina immediately tweeted out that they disagreed entirely. Michelle Obama has tweeted that she disagrees. She's a stay-at-home mom. So it won't be harder to make this stick against President Obama when his wife is a homemaker and has not worked outside of the home.
Right. Well, this is really one comment by the Democrats that has been a drumbeat over the last few weeks, few months by prominent Democrats, the DNC, the administration, suggesting that there's a war on women being waged by the Republicans. And so I would add this comment to the many that have been made as they're trying to write this narrative. And the fact of the matter is that they've taken it too far, and that it's being exposed that there is no war on women. What's happening is that there's a distraction, that the Democrats are trying to distract the American people from the real issues. And the real issues are that President Obama's policies are the ones that are failing Americans. They're failing American women, whether it's his economic policies, his health care policies, or the debt that he's accumulated.